Hello everyone, Gurmeet here, and in this video we will talk about Python assignment operators. So assignment operators are used to assign values to the different variables, but they can also be used to assign values after performing some mathematical operations. Okay, so let's see how these assignment operators works and what are all the assignment operators available in Python. So the first operator is the equals to operator. So this is the most basic operators and we have used it a lot in our previous videos. We use it to assign values to variables like this: a equals to 5 and b equals to 10. So here we are assigning the variable a the value 5, and similarly here to the variable b we are assigning the value 10 using the assignment operator equals to. So the equals to is the most basic assignment operator. Okay, so let me just first list out all the operators and then talk about them one by one. So the first one is equals to, then is plus equals to, then is minus equals to, and then is multiply equals to, then is divide equals to, then is modulus equals to, then is floor division equals to, then is multiply exponentiation equals to, then is ampersand equals to, and this one and this one, and in the end this one. Okay, I'll tell you about each of this and I'll also show how each of these work. Okay, so this is the most basic thing and I think I need not to explain about it again. So let's talk about this one, the second one. So what it does, it is actually similar to let's say we have two variables. I'll make here, let me just comment down first all of these. So these are multi-line comments. Okay, so I have taken a variable a equals to 10. So this is the first example of the assignment operator equals to. Then let's say we have this second operator plus equals to. So what do you think it does? It does this: a equals to a plus 10. So it first add a into the previous value of a. So previous value of a is 10. So it adds up 10 into 10. And then assign the value to a. Let me just add b here. If I will add b here, then b will be equal to b plus 10. If I will add c, if I will type c here, then c will be equal to c plus 10. I hope you are getting my point, what I am trying to say here. So what it will do, it will first add 10 to the previous value of c, and then it will assign the new value to the variable c. Okay. So for example, the initial value of a here was 10. So now it will be 20. Let's try printing and we'll also check here. Here it is 10. And after performing this assignment operation, let's see what is the value. It should be 20. So you can see first it was 10. Then we have used the plus equals to assignment operator. So it first adds 10 into 10 and then prints it. So let me type here 15 and you can see now the answer must be 25. That's it, 25. Similarly, all of the other operations actually work. This one typed on the fifth line, subtract the number first and then assign the value to the variable. Similarly, this one does multiplication first, this one division first, modulus first, floor division first, exponentiation first, and similarly the other. Okay. So instead of performing like this, let me just quickly print the values for all of these. So now the assignment operation plus equals to 100, let's say, and then printing the value, print a. Then again I'm copying all of these things and then I'm just subtracting here, let's say 5. And then again multiplying here. It will first multiply 100 with 10 and then print the value. Okay. Similarly, division one. So for division, I'll just type a large number here and we'll divide with a smaller number. Okay. Similarly, the modulus one. Let's say modulus be 3. And similarly the other operations. Let me just quickly type all of these and come back. So I typed all of these and you can see their results as well. So 10 plus 100, 110, and it is assigned to A and then printed. A is first 10, then I subtract 5 first and then assign the same value to A, then it is 5. Similarly for multiply, it is 1000. For division, it is first dividing 10,000 by 100 and then printing the value. And similarly, it is first here calculating the modulus. 10 modulus 3 is actually 1, and then it is assigning the same value here. So this way, all of these things are actually working, and you can see the floor division, the exponentiation, everything is simple. Okay, so these three operations are actually, these four operations are actually the bitwise operations. So I have not made a video about bitwise operators yet, but we'll soon talk about them as well. So here it is doing the bitwise AND operation. So for example 2, if we want to type them bitwise, it is written as like this 0010. And let's say if it is 3, then it is written like 0011. So this is the you can say bit value of 3, right? Similarly, this is the bit value of 2, right? So these operations are performed bitwise. So let's say the bitwise value of this is V1 and the bitwise value of this is V2. The AND operation is performed on each bit of V1 and V2, and hence the answer is calculated. I think I have to make a separate video about these operators, about the bitwise operators. So I'll definitely make one to help you understand them better. But for now, just assume that this is first performing the bitwise operation AND here, and then assigning the value to the variable, and similarly the bitwise operation OR, NOR. Okay, so here it is doing the left shift and the right shift, and it is also bitwise, right? So you can see the bitwise answers whatsoever it will come, and it will again convert it into decimal, and hence we are getting the decimal values here, right? So that's all about the Python assignment operators. I think it is easy. It is actually very easy. You just have to understand one and you will automatically understand the others, because it is the simple concept behind assignment operators like this one, plus equals or minus equals. It just does the first operation and then it assigns a value to the same variable. That's it. So these are quite used in different Python applications. So I highly recommend that you try them yourself to actually understand how they work, right? I'm skipping the next video, which might be about the Python comparison operators, because I have already made a video about Python Boolean values, in which I have also explained about the Python comparison operators. So our next video will be about Python logical operators. So stay tuned with us.